Welcome to Tea Time with Nat. For those of you who don't know me quite yet, my name is Natalie and I am the Business Development Manager with Veranda Properties. And today I want to chat about rental listings. So we all know that rental listings can take up a lot of time and consideration. So if your listing's not wowing your potential renter, then what are you even doing? So tip number one, know your target audience. If you don't know which renter would be the best fit for your property, then how are you supposed to write a compelling listing that's going to attract them over to your property? Now, although it's crucial to make sure you don't discriminate in how you advertise or what you say in your listing, you can still write a listing that showcases those features that qualified tenants are looking for. Which leads me to my second tip. Choose your wording wisely. Get specific, tell your property story, mention amenities, what's in the area, local schools, restaurants, retail, the monthly rent. You want to mention all of these things. If your property or the community has a pool or a balcony, a garage, be sure to add that into the header because that's going to be the attention grabber. Tip number 3, go with upskill photos and videos. This is going to make such a difference. Remember, your photos and your videos are the first impression for your investment property. So professional photos is the way to go. Next tip, place your listing wisely. You want to make sure your listing is going on websites and rental search engines, I guess if you want to call them that appeal to your target audience. Also, social media is a really great tool to utilize on making sure your listing gets out there. And the last tip, hire a property manager. They know all the tips and tricks on what to put in your listing, what kind of photos you need, where to put them, and they usually have better access to a lot of these websites or rental listing sites. And overall, they can probably save you tons of money on marketing costs. So hire a property manager. And that's all I have for you today, guys. So for the full blog, make sure you visit verandaproperties.com. And then until next time, thanks for watching Tea Time with Nat. Have a good day.